Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 says the length of a rectangle is 4 less than 3 times its width. The area of the rectangle is 32 square kilometers. Find the length and the width of the rectangle. So the problem asks you to find the length and the width of a rectangle. And we're going to draw a figure to help us visualize what's happening in the problem. So we have a rectangle, and we know that the area of that rectangle is 32 square kilometers. The problem says the length of a rectangle is 4 less than 3 times its width. So I'm going to call the width x. And then I'm going to write an expression for the length of the rectangle. It says it's 4 less than means subtraction, and the word than switches the order. So 4 is written first in words, but we'll write it second in symbols. And 3 times the width is written second in words, but we'll write it first in symbols because of the word than. And so my expression for the length is 3x minus 4. Now I can write my equation. I know that the area of a rectangle is equal to the length times the width. And so the area we know is 32, so we'll substitute that. And the length times the width will be x times 3x minus 4. So now we'll solve the equation. On the right side, I have a distributive property, which I'm going to do first. So 32 is already simplified on the left. X times 3x is 3x squared, and x times negative 4 is negative 4x. Since this is a quadratic equation because of the square on the 3x squared, I need to set one side equal to 0 and factor in order to solve it. So I'm going to subtract 32 from both sides. 32 minus 32 is 0. 3x squared minus 4x minus 32 is just expressed because there's no like terms. Now I'm going to factor. Most trinomials break into 2 binomials since there's no greatest common factor, and I have to figure out how to factor 3x squared minus 4x minus 32. 3x squared can be made by multiplying 3x times x as the first terms in the binomial. And then I have some choices. I could multiply 1 times 32 to get 32, 2 times 16 to get 32, or 4 times 8 to get 32. I'm going to use 4 and 8 so that I can have a subtraction to 4x in the middle term. So I'm going to put 8 with the 3x and 4 with the x. So my outside and inside would be 12x minus 8x, which would be 4x. Since I want it negative, I'm going to put the negative on the 4 to get negative 12x and a positive on the 8. So negative 12x plus 8x will be negative 4x. Now I'm going to set each factor equal to 0 and solve each of the factors. 3x plus 8 equals 0, and x minus 4 equals 0. To solve 3x plus 8 equals 0, I'll subtract 8 from both sides. 3x equals negative 8, and then I'll divide by 3 on both sides. X would equal negative 8 thirds. And since this is an application problem, and we want to find the length and the width, which is a measure of distance, we can't have a negative distance, and so that answer cannot be true. For the other factor, I'm going to add 4 to both sides, and so I would find out that x equals 4, which is a positive measure for the distance, and so I know the width in my rectangle will be 4 kilometers. Then I'm going to substitute 4 for the x in the length expression. 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 minus 4 is 8, and so I find out that the length would be 8 kilometers. And so to answer the question, the width of the rectangle is 4 kilometers, and the length of the rectangle is 8 kilometers.